What's up, everybody? Back with another video. Today we're fishing this river for giant pike and maybe some other species if we can't get a pike. Hope you enjoy. This place is pretty well known for big pike, so hopefully we could get onto them today. Pike! Pike right there. There was a pike. Got him! Oh, he came off. There's a pike right here, guys. We're gonna head over here and try this structure and stuff. Got one. Pike. Yep. Nice. Let's get him up. Let's go. On the big lure. He absolutely choked it. Absolutely clobbered it. I'll get back to you when we get this beast off the hook. We switched up to this paddle tail. We haven't casted with it yet, but we did switch up with it, so. This thing's some heavy duty, so. We're going back with this Guggen revolver. Pike. Yep, there's pike back here. Got him on the top water. He's coming right for me. Huge. Yep, huge. It's huge. That's PB worthy. Holy crap! Holy crap! No way! Alright, guys. Look at this fish. Oh my God. We gotta get a release on this giant. That is a river monster for sure. The GoPro died as I was actually catching it. But what's up, guys? This is a couple hours after that video. I've just been sitting here and editing it. And the GoPro didn't die when I was reeling that fish in, but it died as I was going to release it. We measured it, or I measured it. I guess I was by myself. It was 37 inches, which is a new PB for me. So leave a comment down below what your PB is. And I just want to thank you guys for the support. I really appreciate it, and I hope you continue watching. There's a couple more pike I caught that day that is going to be posted on TikTok, so I'll leave the description down below. And I hope you guys have a good time watching the video. Peace out, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.